Did you guys see? Did you? I have to put it up on stream so that everybody can appreciate it. It is just so beautiful because if you remember from stream yesterday, I showed with my Optifine zoom, I showed a beautiful view over the whole island. And it was really pretty. And then, look at this fan art. It's so beautiful. It makes me so happy. It's us. Looking down on our island from the MMM. MMM is kind of... doesn't sound as nice as PvP. I still like it though. Merry Myth Minecraft. Ine. Wonderful, beautiful. So yeah, today at the Jackbox collab, the Jackbox collab was indeed kind of for the sake to gather you guys up for the exciting video drop. It had a purpose. Very unexpected. Yeah, that really came out of nowhere for you guys, huh? I saw it coming. I've been seeing it coming for a while now, and I felt very nervous always to not accidentally say something. I will tell you now. I have not said anything, so you know, sometimes you say I hint. But okay, so the thing is, recently I've been playing Spring Witch Spring R, and there's a character there that is called Justice. And I was thinking, oh man, while playing it I was like, why must it be Justice? Why must it be Justice? But it's okay. And then because Justice kind of reminds me of the word judgment, and me being a Railgun fan, I kept on saying instead of judgment desu no, I kept on saying justice desu no. Justice desu no. Normally that character says judgment desu no, and I just said justice desu no the whole time. And then I knew it. I knew that maybe you guys will afterwards be like, oh, Kiara was hinting. But Kiara wasn't hinting. There's a character called Justice there that led me to say those things. I was not really thinking of them, you know? I'll buy one! Just one. It's a present for Gooba. I think up there is where it should go. Yay! I wanna make it go. I can't make it go ding dong. Ah, there we go. Yay! Gooba, I'm calling you! It's the Gooba call! Wouldn't it be so funny if she went online now? Gooba, if you're watching this, do it for the stream, do it for the entertainment. Go online. Come on. I'm calling you, Gooba. Gooba! For the content, come on! Let a miracle happen! We want a miracle! Sometimes she is watching without me knowing it, without me realizing it.
Yeah?
Look
What popped off? What?
This is like Coefficient wearing Fever Night cosplay. Look at me, I'm underneath. I'm Coefficient.
Yeah, intoxicating. DJ keep playing. Looking good.
Yeah. You got that booty.
You gotta strut your stuff.
Yeah.
Strut your stuff.
I'm strutting it.
I think you look great. You look great no matter what kind of
you.
makeup you put on.
Ah, damn it, I'm so angry that the chat is making me do this. I lost the challenge, the Don't Laugh challenge. Now I have to wear this. Oh, I'm so angry.
Oh,
Guys,
sorry.
why are they trying to leave? Why are they trying to leave? Come back in. Isn't it nighttime?
The villagers? Because they figured out what we're doing.
It's not. Oh my god, come back in. Oh.
They're done with our treachery.
Okay, it's not nighttime. But soon.
Yes. I'm gonna put some carpet down.
They want to use the bell. Should I use the bell? Oh, it's genius that I have the bell. That was a good purchase.
Nice.
When you ring the bell, they go inside their house. Aww. Oh.
Cute.
Oh, come on. What are you doing? Okay, and the boat back, right?
Oh, I got it. I'll place the boat. Or you can place it. It just needs to be sideways is what they say. Yeah, and then jump over it.
Wait.
You know what you're doing.
Sideways? What?
Kiara?
Not fair. No.
What?
Not fair.
Huh?
Not fair.
What?
I glitched through it and I lost my diamond pickaxe.
What?
No.
Wait, oh god. What if the same fate befalls me?
Callie, not you too!
This is what we get for playing God. I never should have entered the boat.
Put the floor below. Because that happens a lot somehow in this mod. There's like a problem where we glitch through often. Yeah. Ame also died a few times by that.
That's alright.
The sword and the pickaxe. This one. I'll do it.
Yeah.
Fuck!
Oh no. I think it's time for me to go to bed.
That's okay. That's okay.
Well, we tried real hard, and everything was basically set up, but...
I'll fix it for you, Callie. I'll fix it.
Okay.
I'll make it work. Maybe.
Oh yeah, you will.
If it's not fixed by tomorrow. No pressure, though. No pressure.
Yeah, it's fine.
Wait, I shouldn't. Actually, I shouldn't.
The friends we made along the way are what matter, right? I'll see you guys tomorrow for cowboy.
Yeah, for braiding, I should. Okay, Calliope Mori. It was fun having you around.
Yeah, let's play again at least once before the ending, maybe. That would be...
Okay. I was thinking probably I won't show up anymore until the end, because there's not really much to do at this point. It's okay to just...
Okay.
Lapis lazuli, give me. Hey. Wait. Come, pickle. Hey, Mona. hey, Mona. Pickle. I always have to like reinsert myself into her by saying come pickle, because that one always gets me back into the right kind of sound, you know. Come pickle. HOLOLIVE の3期生のうさやペコラペコ。Hey, Mona. Lapis. I can't somehow. Wait. Pecora lapis lazuli.
Mona ちゃんこれあげとこHello これ合ってるMona how are you 合ってるペコ合ってるよしこれをラピスラズリ持ってないかなラピスラズリ持ってないかななんだI'm fine thank you how about you ペコラ先輩うわ英語やってるみたいペコだラピスラズリGive me
Oh fuck, it's gone. What the hell?
これ Give me だと与えるって意味かな